He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole wide world in his hands. He's got the whole wide world. Hi, ukulele friends. How is it going on your journey? I'd love to know, are your fingers killing you? Are you wearing your fingernail down? I know mine gets filed down from strumming a lot. Love to hear how things are going. Let me know in the comments down below. If you're new here, well, I'm Lisa. I'm the Ukulele Fool, and this is part of a series of lessons. Learn your first 10 songs. So in today's lesson, we're going to stick with the C and G7. We're going to stick with the thumb down, down, down pattern that we used in Tom Dooley, but we're going to go just a scooch faster. There's a chord challenge on this too because the G7 only happens once every time we wrap up each stanza. So going to be switching a little bit quicker. Let's do the box diagram for this song. This song has what's called a pickup. No, not that kind of pickup. What happens is you start singing before you get into the meat of it. So what happens with the introduction is you're going to go down, 2, 3. He's got the, and then it comes in. Yeah, so I'll do that. We'll get a little practice with that with the box diagram, and then of course it happens in the song at the beginning. So here we go. Is your instrument in tune? My dog has fleas. You need help? Got the links here, and here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when you're ready, let's move along to the play along. So just, you see down below, and every time you go, he's got the hold. Well, you're singing that, he's got the, while you're still doing the previous chord. So it's a little bit of thinking ahead. This is a start at getting you used to that because it happens all the time. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, and here we go. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole wide world in his hands. He's got the whole wide world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the little bitty baby in his hands. He's got the little bitty baby in his hands. He's got the little bitty baby in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got you and me, sister, in his hands. hands. He's got everybody in his hands. He's got everybody in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole wide world in his hands. He's got the whole wide world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. Very good. I hope that you're feeling more confident, that your fingers and your mind are getting all more tied together, because I know your brain has got this. It's got it figured out. It's just, getting that electronic highway going to your hands so that the nerves all fire at the same time, and so that you have those fluent chord changes, and then everything's working together with your hand, and then you're able to read and sing, and it's really a multitasking event. So if you're feeling like any part of this is just a little too much, it probably is, right? You will get there eventually, but so you're just trying to work on getting things on autopilot. And so if things are already on autopilot, great. A lot of that depends on your background. Did you dance? Things like that. Did you play another musical instrument? And things like that generally help things move along more smoothly. But if this is your first musical instrument, first, great choice. I know I played a lot of different instruments. This is where it's at. Okay, I'll see you in the next song. I hope that this tutorial and play along has brought you joy and confidence in your ukulele journey. I would like to thank all my patrons for their great feedback, song suggestions, community building, and your very important financial support for my teaching efforts. If you appreciate what I do and have a few dollars a month to spare, I encourage you to join our growing Patreon community. Don't forget to hit that like button before you go, and keep spreading the ukulele love.